I want to introduce to you my helper. Her name is Press. There's a Press. See? Look at it. She's a robot, but her name is Press. P-R-I-S. Press. It's really easy, guys. She helped me clean everything. She helped me clean the help me clean the floor. Babysit her because she gonna go. Did is I have to do a portion. Look what I do. I have put this so that she will not go to the living room. See that? My dumbbell. Yeah. And guys. Oh, you don't go here. You go on this side. Oh, she's stubborn, guys. I said, go there. I think it's so dirty here that you want to clean on this side first. Go to the kitchen. Go. Go to the kitchen. See. Come on, Press. I cannot babysit you right now. I have my dumbbell. No. Oh, she's gonna. This is your checkpoint, okay? See, that's how you kill her, guys. Look. Press is cleaning. And I don't have to hold the vacuum. That's why I have a vacuum for the carpet, but she also won't clean the carpet. But you know, okay. First of all, you're gonna use it's very really useful and heavy duty clean and polished women glass cooktop. See, this is how you clean your cooktop. Okay. All right. Get started. Here. Look, you have to spread everywhere, and you come back later, like about 5 minutes. And that's about it. Well, I can't believe it. Press. Look, she go home by herself. That is her home. If she's like out of juice, she just go home by herself. I didn't do anything. I was like, where is she? And it's so amazing, guys. This is so helpful when you are busy and you know you don't have time to hold the vacuum. This Press is the answer. iRobot. It's been a while, and we have this since we moved in the house 2015. It's 4 years and she's still okay. She needs just to have a juice. And I think she will clean again later. Guys, Press is the answer. Alright, now I'm gonna clean my stove. Look, my stove. My microwave. I'm really tired, guys. I don't know. I'm so tired. I'm kind of exhausted. Like this, there's no strength. Sweetie? No strength for me. Yeah. This is how I clean my stove. See guys, how clean is it? Now it's time for microwave guys. Windex is the answer. Sweetie, that sounds.
Alright.
Luckily, I did not turn it on. I thought it's on. So this is how I clean it. I use the Windex guys to clean the fridge,